In this video, I'll go through the complete game plan of how I automated 60 days of content for my channel with complete SEO and scheduled them for a whole month in just 3 hours. Just 3 hours. I'll assume at this point you made your channel, gave it a name, and thinking about ways to make more content. Well, my friend, we all had been there. To find out the complete process, must watch the video till last. I will simply break down my game plan into 3 main steps: automate content creation with AI, make SEO Blueprint, automate the uploading procedure. Starting from automating content creation with AI, note that this content creation strategy may be automated to specific niches only, like podcasts, movies, TV shows, NBA games, football games with clear commentary, and many more. But the next 2 strategies in this game plan can be applied for any niche on YouTube. As I have a podcast channel, what I do basically is select a podcast which is not more than an hour and copy its link. Now go to a website called video.ai, which is totally free. I also made a detailed video on this, which you will find link in description. Paste the copied URL here. You can select any template you want, but I suggest stick with one template so that your audience recognize your content easily. This AI tool will make shorts from the long haul videos, and the best thing is it also gives your shorts a title and captions. You can edit the videos inside this tool and export them with no watermark, all for free. Downsides of this AI tool is you can upload videos under 75 minutes only, but this refreshes after every month, or you can just buy their paid plan to make more shorts or sign up with another Google account, and also you can export your shorts in 720p only. But hey, it's free, and for YouTube shorts 720p is okay. Moving to the next important step, the SEO blueprint, which consists of 3 parts: the title, description, and tags. At first, make a general title which will be included in all your shorts. For example, hashtag shorts, hashtag viral, and hashtag according to your niche like dog lovers, pet care, or Ronaldo, Messi, etc. In my case, I'll write like this. In description, the first 3 lines are very important, so include as many keywords as you can related to the shorts you will be uploading. Copy paste the title and include more keywords like every dog owner should know this, or Messi is king, La Liga, etc. Like in my case, I wrote these, which you can see on screen. As descriptions doesn't matter much for YouTube shorts, so you can just try pasting in your channel description below, which should relate to the shorts you are posting. Now the crucial part is tags. There are 2 ways to do this. vidIQ. The basics are very easy. Just add vidIQ Chrome extension and connect your YouTube account all for free. Now when you search a keyword in YouTube, you will see this vidIQ tab. Make sure your keyword ranks for at least 50 to 70 overall score or 70 plus. If you can see below, vidIQ gives you 3 more tags. Copy these 3 tags into your document. Must save these tags comma separated. You will find out later in this video why we did this. Now one by one, search it on YouTube, and you will see YouTube gives you more suggestions. Copy the top 3 suggestions YouTube gives you and paste it into your document. The same way, search the 3 tags one by one which vidIQ gave you at the first place and paste onto YouTube search, and again copy the top 3 suggestions YouTube gives you to your document. Like this, you have plenty of high ranking tags. The second way is through Google Trends. Select the country you want to target. Also select this as past 90 days and select YouTube search in this box. Now type in 2 or 3 keywords related to your niche. If you drag down, you will see related queries for each of your keyword. You can select some keywords from the rising category, or you can change this to top, and you see you have a lot of important topics or tags which people are searching for. Now copy at least 3 to 5 keywords from every box you see. This way you will have your SEO tags ready. Also make sure to add some general tags about your channel as well. Like in my case, it's podcast shorts, podcast clips, viral shorts, celebrity reactions, breakup, trending, and many more. The same you can do for your niche. Like if your niche is of dogs, then dogs lover, dog scare, dog owner, or CR7 fan, Messi, La Liga, World Cup, etc, etc. Now the last step to complete this game plan is to automate the uploading procedure. At this moment, you have all your document ready and downloaded all your shorts. So what you do is go to your channel studio. Click on this option settings, select upload defaults. What this will do is when you are uploading a short, it will automatically fill the title, description and tags for you. Now paste the title you made in your document in this title bar. Also paste your description from the document here and your tags. If you don't include the comma between your tags, it won't recognize each keyword as a separate tag and just consider it a one tag like this. That is why while making your document, separate your tags by a comma. With this done, we are good to go. If you had come this far, I just want to say thank you. And if you are finding this video helpful, please consider subscribing and sharing with your friends. Now we have done all the backend work. The very last step to complete this whole process is scheduling the uploads. I post 2 shorts per day. But this depends on your choice how many you want to post. Simply click on create and upload video. Select your short and you will see that the title and description as well as the tags are done for you. The best thing is the videos which you will download from video.ai comes up with their own titles. All you have to do is just tweak it a little if you want or leave it like this. Going forward, in the last tab visibility, you will see the schedule option. Click on this and schedule it for the day you want. And also select the time you want the short to upload. The best timings according to research is 12 to 3 pm or 7 to 10 pm. In my case, I will be uploading 2 shorts per day on 2 pm and second on 9 pm. All the back end process is done. All we have to do is select our short, schedule the date and publish. Do this for all the 30 or 60 shorts and it will take you less than 2 hours. This whole strategy from automating the shorts content to the SEO and scheduling my videos, it took me 3 hours. Now I am done with 30 days of work for this channel in just 3 hours, so I can focus on other things the whole month. I will check results of this channel after a month and also show you the results so that you know if this strategy worked for me or not. To see that, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified from the latest uploads from my channel. Let me know in the comments what you think of this strategy. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Peace.